Hello everyone, this is Nillufary. Today is Friday, July 5th, and I'm at the Greek Court of Athens, the custody revival prison. As you know, on May 2nd, I tried to submit a dossier to the UNHCR office, and they closed the doors and they called the police. Police came and violently removed me from the doorsteps of the UNHCR's office. I got those events recorded on the video, on the camera. They confiscated my cell phone. I haven't been able to get my cell phone back, and then they took me to the court. And the trial took place on May 15th. They sentenced me to prison 6 months, and I had to serve 6 months suspended prison terms in Nillufary prison. And I still haven't been able to get my cell phone back, even though the court has decided for the release of my cell phone. So, and even if I get my cell phone back, I don't know if they have already hacked into my phone or removed these videos from my cell phone or not. But anyway, the reason I'm shooting this here now at the Greek court is just to let you know I had the audio records of that trial, that particular trial that happened on May 15th. So, and I'm going to share it with you here. And if one day I get my cell phone back, I will and still had those videos in my cell phone, I'm going to publish the videos of what actually happened in front of the UNHCR office on May 2nd. So of course in the trial they didn't care about my situation, about my long protest in front of UNHCR. They didn't care that I have a right to enter the UNHCR office to register with the organization and leave this country. They didn't care to summon the asylum authorities or the Minister of Migration Policy, Dimitris Vitsas, or the UN Refugee Agency, because they don't care for anything, because this is their policy, the whole system in this country, all their institutions, police, court, UN Refugee Agency, NGOs, their asylum office, government institutions, everybody. They are hurting refugees, they trade refugees like slaves, they are exploiting refugees in every turn, everywhere you turn to, they are just exploiting refugees. They force you, they make you leave this country by other means. They close, as you know, they also closed the only available legal way for a refugee to be legally resettled in another country, which is written to the UN Refugee Agency, which they closed my access to this organization. I attended 18 trials in this court, and I've been in prison 5 times. So anyway, that's, I guess I just want to tell that a big crime is going on here, a big humanitarian crime. They are killing people, and think of us, think of refugees as the low lives people. Think of us as refugees with no rights, with no nothing. We have to be their servants, otherwise we have to be in detention, in the police station camps or in prison. So enough for introduction, let's listen to the trial, and have a great day. Bye. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Have to wait.
Wait for what?
For wait.
This is the third time. Translator. You can find a translator. government cannot find translators. Yes.
Sit, please, sit there, sit there. Do you know the charges? Have you been told about the charges?
No.
Oh, you don't know. You violated a decision made by a court due to which you were forbidden to stay, to live in Mihalo 96 Athens. You were forbidden to live in that apartment. Do you understand?
Okay. That's not the court's decision.
So for the moment you are informed about the charges.
So what is the charges? I don't know.
Don't speak. You were forbidden due to a court decision. You were forbidden to stay in that house, in that apartment.
It's not the house. I'm a
Don't speak. Don't speak. Outside of a building. You were forbidden to stay outside a building.
United Nations.
You were forbidden to stay outside of a building where it's the company.
It's not the company, it's the United Nations.
United Nations. And you were forbidden not to stop the proper work of this No. So you didn't let people come na bun, che na bun, apoi porta, apoi să ne This happened on the 2nd of May 2019. That's why you were arrested. It was in order to So you were forbidden to stay in the door, in the entrance of this of the United Nations offices. There are two persons who made depositions concerning your behavior. A policeman who made a deposition saying that you stop people getting inside. And also an employee who works as a security of the building, who confirms what the policeman declared. And they confiscated a mobile phone, a Samsung mobile phone, from you. Stand up, please. In your defense.
First of all, the decision you said about the court's order, I have a copy of this order here. It doesn't say that I shouldn't be staying in front of the building. According to what I know, it just says I shouldn't be blocking the entrance of the door.
Εμπόδισε τη λειτουργία των
Is it true that you blocked the entrance?
I haven't, but now the
Just
translator
don't shout,
says what you said. The
Don't
court
shout,
says
please. Don't shout,
the court
please.
says I shouldn't be staying in front of the building. That's what you said. That's your translation of this decision for me.
Just a moment. Είπατε ότι το απαγορεύεται να εμποδίζει την είσοδο στο κτίριο.
Η απόφαση λέει να πάψει να εγκαθίσταται στην κεντρική είσοδο.
It's forbidden for you to stay in front of the entrance.
Entrance, the door.
The door, entrance to the,
Okay.
into the building.
Και να εμποδίζει τη λειτουργία των θυρών και την ελεύθερη είσοδο και έξοδο
And to stop the entrance of people, the entrance of people who come and go inside the building.
So I'm asking the court to make a clarification on this order
Ξεκαθαρίζετε την απόφαση.
because this order
What exactly do you want?
because this order has made a lot of confusion. I need to enter the UNHCR building.
Χρειάζομαι να μπαίνω στο κτίριο.
Ναι, αλλά η απόφαση του λέει ότι δεν πρέπει να κάθεται στην κεντρική είσοδο και να εμποδίζει τη λειτουργία των θυρών. Αυτή είναι η απόφαση.
Το να μπει μπορεί να μπει, μπορεί μόνο να μην εμποδίζει.
Ναι, να μην εμποδίζει. Να εγκαθίσταται για να μην εμποδίζει. Ναι, γιατί μας λέει για 2/5 του 19.
So we are talking about the 2nd of May. What happened?
I'm talking about the 2nd of May.
Just a moment. Then it was forbidden. Then it was forbidden. That's why you are here. You understand me? Because
This is
listen to me. Yes, but we are talking about that day. Generally, you can go into the building, but for that day, you produce the confusion, and that's why you are here.
I didn't produce a confusion. This order has produced the confusion, not me. You have to translate like this.
Ναι. Λέει.
Here is my shelter. I'm protesting there in front of the UN Refugee Agency for 25 months. On 2nd of May,
Just a moment. So you say and I translate. Τώρα σχετικά με 2 Μαΐου να μας εξηγήσει. Just listen to me for that exact day, for the 2nd of May. What do you have to say?
On 2nd of May, I called the UNHCR. They didn't answer my calls. Okay?
Δεν μου απαντήσανε από την ΟΗΕ.
Yes.
Τι πάει να πει, πήγε μόνος του.
Did you go by yourself?
What you mean, did you go? Yes, of course. I'm there in front of UNHCR office for 25 months.
Για 25 μήνες εγκαταστάθηκε εκεί μπροστά στο...
Τη συγκεκριμένη μέρα τι έγινε.
In that exactly day, what happened on the 2nd of May?
On 2nd of May, I tried to reach the organization, submit this file that you see here.
You tried to reach which way? To reach the organization.
Approached the building, spoke to the security of the building.
Πλησίαζα το κτίριο και ήθελα να καταθέσω αυτά τα έγγραφα.
To ask them
Μίλησα με τους securities.
Every time I get close to the building,
κάθε φορά που πλησιάζω το κτίριο,
before I reach the door,
πριν την πόρτα,
they have 3 doors. Before I reach the door, they close the doors, all of them.
Just a moment. Πριν να φτάσω στην πρώτη πόρτα, τις κλείνουν και τις 3.
And then they call the police. Police comes and takes me and brings me here.
Με συλλαμβάνει και με φέρνει εδώ.
So on 2nd of May.
Just a moment.
Ναι.
On 2nd of May, as I said, I approached the building.
Don't shout, please. Don't shout.
I approached the building.
Don't shout. Πλησιάζα το κτίριο.
They closed the doors before I reached the
Κλείσανε
doors.
την πόρτα πριν να φτάσω.
I tried to speak with the security behind the door, security of the building.
Με τους φύλακες πίσω από την πόρτα.
But he completely ignored me.
Με αγνόησε.
He just opened his phone and called the police.
Απλά έβγαλε το κινητό και πήρε την αστυνομία.
So I was waiting there hoping he comes and talk to me or somebody from the UN comes and talk to me.
Περίμενα να βγει κάποιος να μου μιλήσει από μέσα.
Yes, and in 15 minutes or
Σε
something,
15 λεπτά
I realized two policemen came,
ότι δύο αστυνομικοί ήρθανε
and then they came, approached me aggressively, violently.
και με βίαιο τρόπο
They took my phone,
μου πήραν το κινητό
and here I am.
και εδώ βρίσκομαι εδώ μπροστά σας.
They took my phone because I'm recording my attempts of reaching the UNHCR's office. I'm truly, because they are always attacking me. If it is for my own safety and protection, because if I don't have a phone, they are attacking me from the security.
Just a moment, you said something before concerning your phone. Repeat, please.
I'm recording my attempts.
You are recording. Λέει ότι γράφω τις προσπάθειες μου, μάλλον you are recording
on the video, yes.
Φωτογραφώ τις προσπάθειες
Video
μου.
recording. I'm video recording.
Βγάζω βίντεο.
Αλλά σε αυτό το βίντεο υπάρχουν και άλλα πρόσωπα που τραβάει.
Just a moment. On this video, you are taking these pictures or something. You are taking. Are there other persons also?
I'm not taking other people's. I'm just recording what is happening.
Γράφω απλά αυτά που συμβαίνουν.
So, two policemen approached me and they took my phone violently.
Με βίαιο τρόπο μου πήρανε το κινητό. Με βίαιο τρόπο μου πήραν το κινητό οι δύο αστυνομικοί.
And now I am here. Where is your witness? I have witness. I have documents. I have everything.
Just a moment.
And you
Έχω
don't accept
μάρτυρες που δεν τους δέχεστε. Do you have witnesses for that day, for the 2nd of May?
My witness is their video. There was no other person. There was other people, but they are not going to come and testify for me.
Just a moment. Άλλα άτομα βρισκόταν εκεί, αλλά δεν θα έρθουν να καταθέσουν για μένα. Και οι απόδειξεις μου βρίσκονται στο κινητό.
The court has to clarify this order because this order has confused everybody. They think.
Just a moment, please don't speak. Speak when you are asked. Just a moment. For that certain day, do you want to say anything in addition? For that day?
For that day, it's everyday situation. I need to.
Just a moment. Λέει, είναι μια καθημερινή ημέρα, δεν έχει κάτι να προσθέσει.
I need to leave this country. For me, in order to leave this country, I have to be able to register with the UN Refugee Agency, which is hosted in that building.
Λέει, πρέπει να μπω στο συγκεκριμένο κτίριο για να... This is not the court's problem.
This is your problem because this court now gives them excuses to close the door every time I get close to the building. You have to clarify this order.
Stop, please.
Την απόφαση του 17 δεν την έχω βγάλει εγώ.
Λέει, the decision for 2017, it was not this court's decision. Just a moment. You will listen. You will not speak. Don't speak.
You have to make a clarification on your order.
Πρέπει να ξεκαθαρίζετε, να διευκρινίσετε την απόφασή σας.
Δεν είναι η απόφαση μου.
It was not this court's decision. It was another court's decision. And
then
don't shout, please, don't shout. The way.
If this is the violation of another court's decision, why am I here? Send the case there. Why are you judging me? Don't judge me.
Μην με δικάζετε εσείς αν
Η απόφαση αυτή ισχύει εδώ και 2 χρόνια.
This decision was taken 2 years before.
I understand, I know.
Το καταλαβαίνει και τι είπατε μετά, συγγνώμη.
Ότι αυτή η απόφαση δεν έχει προσληφθεί.
Αυτό το είπα.
Δεν προκύπτει να έχει προσληφθεί εδώ και 2 χρόνια. Άρα παραμένει σε ισχύ.
So it is still on. You must respect this decision.
Why I cannot enter the building?
Γιατί δεν μπορώ
25
να μπω στο
months.
κτίριο
Why
εδώ
I
και
cannot
25
enter the building?
μήνες.
Why I cannot submit the file?
Listen to me, probably until 2017, different things have happened.
What happened? I'm just here. This is
No,
what happened.
until 2017. Just a moment. Listen to me. For concerning that date, 2 May of 2019, were you close to the entrance in the building?
What am I talking to?
Yes,
I tried to submit this file to the organization. I tried to submit this file to the organization. They closed the door and called the police.
Please answer the question. Were you close to the door? Yes or no? When you were close to the door, people were coming and going inside and coming from the building. When people could get inside and they could come
I
outside.
didn't prevent anybody from entering the building.
Then the question is if people were going inside and coming outside.
I answered your question.
No, you didn't answer.
I didn't prevent anybody from entering the building. That's the answer to your question. You have to make a clarification on your order. I'm dying there. Greek state is killing me because of this immoral order, inhumane order. I've been to this court 17 times. I've been to prison 4 times. You have to make a clarification on your order. I have a life to attend to. I've been robbed by the Greek state for 4 years. You are looting me. I have a life to attend to. I need to go after my life. And for that, I need to enter the UNHCR's building, register with the organization, and leave this country. Your order has enslaved me in Greece.
Έχει δικαίωμα να κάνει αίτηση στο δικαστήριο. Ακούστε λίγο.
Ναι.
Έχει δικαίωμα να κάνει αίτηση στο δικαστήριο που έβγαλε την υπόθεση να περάσει την διευκρίνηση αυτή. Γιατί δεν το έχει κάνει αυτό?
So you can you have the right to apply to ask the previous court which made this decision. You can ask for an explanation.
How I can ask? Nobody tells me
clarification for a clarification.
Where I apply? Tell me the procedure.
2 years have passed. Did you ask any lawyer? Did you ask anybody to help you?
I'm asking,
just don't shout, please.
Yes. I asked all the NGOs. All the NGOs I know, all the people I know, I reached out to. Nobody helps.
Lei ρώτησα, αλλά κανένας δεν με βοήθησε.
Every time I came here, I asked for a lawyer.
Κάθε φορά που εμφανίστηκα εδώ, ζήτησα συνήγορο.
I asked for a clarification on this order.
Ζήτησα. You must write in written apply. You must make a written. You must ask for the clarification from the court which made this decision.
Where?
There were 2 years that you could have arranged these things. But you didn't know how. Okay, from...
What is this bullshit? I'm here for 2 years.
Speak.
For 2 years. 2 years you are seeing me here. I'm coming here for 2 years.
Stop, please.
And you ignore my situation. This is a crime. You ignore my situation for 2 years. Why? I'm asking to summon. I'm asking to summon. I'm asking to summon the asylum authorities. Why you don't summon them?
Also, it's not the court's problem to solve this.
This is who is problem then?
You were informed previously.
I need to enter UNHCR building, but instead I'm just dealing with the police and with the court. I'm just dealing with the police with the court. Why? I didn't do any crime.
Please listen. You were informed where to apply to ask
I
for.
wasn't informed.
No, you were informed.
Where? There are 12 buildings in this courtyard. I don't know where I go.
But
I don't know
still,
which office I can go.
But it's not the court. Look, you were informed. Now you
I don't know who am I going to ask to tell me
why
where
do
I should go and apply for this clarification.
Do you want to say anything in addition?
In addition, the same thing I want. Clarification on this order. Summon the asylum authorities. Asylum authorities. Please translate. Summon the asylum authorities. Summon the Minister of Migration and Policy, Dimitris Vitsas. Summon the UN Refugee Agency. You are killing me. It is not my job. It is not my job. I have to enter this building and register under this country. It is as simple as that.
Λοιπόν, πείτε του το εξής όμως, ότι αν όπου πηγαίνει,
wherever you go and you express yourself in this way and you use these words.
What way? What way? I'm coming here for how many times? For how many years? Why you don't see me as a human being with civil and human rights? Why you don't? I'm sitting there, you saw my shelter for 25 months. This is my condition there. No water, no electricity, no nothing.
Stop, please stop. Steve, please stop.
Don't kill refugees, okay? Let me go. You speak with your minister.
The prosecutor proposed you to be declared guilty.
Guilty of what? I didn't do anything.
Then I cannot be papa. Eight months imprisonment but suspended. You understand? You don't. Maybe.
You held me hostage in your country for 4 years. So you want to kill me? This is my last request. You want to kill me? Kill me like with some dignity and honor. You are not allowed to kill human beings like this. This is hypocrisy. This is fascism.
Concerning what the prosecutor proposed, what do you want? The lowest punishment? You want the lowest punishment, yes?
I don't care what you want. This is not. I'm not guilty of anything. Where is your witness? Where is your evidence?
6 months. Before the sum of your. Have you been sentenced to over 12 months?
I showed you the list of my trials years. 17 times I've been here. So every
Where
time.
is it? Show it.
Here. Yeah, you want to see it? It's here.
It's €5 per day, so you have taken 6 months.
Sorry, what about my phone?
Wait, please, wait. You were arrested for how many days? 2 days? 2 days. It's 6 months minus 2. The court said wait concerning your phone. Minus 2 days from the 6 months. And court expenses. Pakinitora. This is yours.
My phone?
You will take it back.
Will you give me a paper?
come padre a fare cosa di questa cosa.
Γράψτε του ένα χαρτάκι, ποιο κτίριο, ποιο γραφείο και με το απόσπασμα θα πάρει το κινητό.
Αυτό θα δείτε θα κάνει. Μετά θα πάει στην εκτέλεση, απόσπασμα της απόφασης μπορεί να πάρει την Παρασκευή την κυρία Γραμματέα.
So, in 2-3 days you can come to the secretary to take the copy of the decision with which then you can take back your phone. You come back after 2-3 days, you go and look for the secretary and she will give you a copy from
Okay,
the
can
decision.
you make a case file or something, because what I supposed to show them? Write a case file, case number, decision number.
It's written on this paper.
Sorry?
It's written on this
It's
paper.
written on...
Okay, you have to. Can I get a copy of this? You don't give me a copy. I just have this now.
Just a moment, it's written outside your case number 19. It's written outside, the number of this.
Yes.
Sir, if you don't appeal in this court decision, you are going directly to the jail.